If you have been looking for the easiest way on how to make money online, then take this free Make Money online course, and in 30 days, come and tell me how much you have made into your local bank account. Now, this is lesson 2 of the lesson. I already recorded lesson 1, so if you have not watched lesson 1, you have to watch this one and then go and watch lesson 1 so that you can get along with it. So get over to the course, do it, practice everything I've said you should do there, and then let me know if you have any question in the comment section, and either myself or my admin will do our best to give you the best answer. So let's get over to the course.
In lesson 2, we'll be talking about how to generate postcode. Now, any survey website you are signing up on, especially Ipsos ISAs and all those survey websites, except from free cash will not ask you for your postcode. Once you register on free cash, it will just ask you to start playing games ASAP. But for the other surveys, they'll be asking you questions. So to generate your postcode, you use Duga. This is Duga postcode generator. You know, I said everything is UK. Yeah, so it's going to generate random postcode in UK for you. So you'd come here, you choose any alphabet you want. Let's choose E. So you ask it to create a random postcode for you. So yeah, this is the random postcode. You copy this E151NR, you copy it and write it somewhere or paste it somewhere. Then you create a matching address. Click on create a matching address. It will bring out an address. This is the address. Copy this address and save it, because when you want to register on this other websites and all these survey apps, once they ask for postcode, you write E151NR. But if they ask for your address, you put flat something, this and that. So this is a random address in the United Kingdom. So that is all on this lesson 2.